Hello everyone, my name is Steven and welcome to this tutorial on table management in Poshier. Today I'll be demonstrating how to add more areas in your restaurant into Poshier. With this feature you can create additional areas like a patio or garden for outdoor seating, as well as upper levels and mezzanines. To get started, navigate to the dine-in section and tap the edit button to enter edit mode. Here you can move your tables around, resize them, add or remove tables, and create extra areas for managing your tables. To add a new area, tap the plus button and enter a symbol to represent that area. For example, you might use G for the garden or 2 for the second floor. You can choose any symbol you like, but remember it's limited to 2 characters. Once you've entered the symbol, tap Add. Below, you'll see a list of all your areas. If you want to change their order, simply drag them up or down. Next, to add tables in the new area you just created, tap the area symbol on the right side. Then tap the plus button here to enter the name of the table. I recommend including the symbol in the name to distinguish it from tables in other areas. Enter the number of seats here and then choose either a square or a circle shape for the table. Finally, tap Save. To exit edit mode, tap the close button. You can tap the area symbol again to access the different areas in your restaurant. That's all there is to it. If you enjoyed this video, please download Poshier from the App Store and give it a try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.